Hey guys, welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to install Google Photos app on PC. First of all, in our browser let's type in Google Photos, then let's enter this first link from the top. This is the official website. Now click on go to Google Photos. Make sure that you are in this window. The method we're going to use is actually using our browser. So go to the settings, then go to save and share, and then click on create shortcut. Also, do not forget, which is very important, to checkbox this open as window. This is necessary. Then press on create. And now as you can see, our Google Photos is open in a separate window. You can also attach it to your taskbar if you want to easier open it at any time. And now you can use your Windows to open this application from your start menu or from the taskbar anytime you want, very comfortably like that. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.